This is the Dremel 8100, as you can see, nice and easy to hold, right-handed or left-handed. Got a variable speed control on the top. Nice and easy to use. You've got a chuck lock here which allows you to undo the front, put accessories in. You get an additional handle which you fit by undoing this part here. Fit in the handle and then screw in a slightly different one on. That gives you a nice handle to hold it by. The battery has to be removed from the Dremel to charge. Take it out, plug it in.